Despite popular demand comes Rolling Thunder Vietnam, the electrifying show that has the critics and audiences raving. More than a concert and more than a drama.
Comes when silence is betrayal.
Rolling Thunder Vietnam transports audiences to an era of unrest, political turmoil, and a generation on the brink of momentous social change.
It ain't me, I'm no senator's son. Most people I know think that I'm crazy.
It is a love story of human resilience, set to the genius of the great songwriters of the 60s and 70s, under the musical direction of the brilliant John Lim. Experience the soul-stirring songs of protest and love from artists such as Roberta Flack, Creedence Clearwater Revival, Joe Cocker, Steppenwolf, Jimi Hendrix, Billy Thorpe, Santana, Marvin Gaye, and Simon and Garfunkel.
Sail on, silver girl, sail on by.
With amazing projection and storytelling. Joining the cast for 2016, the brilliant Ben Mingay. Don't miss this acclaimed production, which became one of the most talked about musical and theatrical events of 2014. Limited shows. Go to rollingthundervietnam.com to book today. Don't miss Rolling Thunder Vietnam.